Hi, I'm Michelle Gallant of Looks Image Consulting on day 8 of this isolation from COVID-19. I'm barely going outside and I wanted to think about some video for you that you would have something really fun and interesting to do at home, not just for yourself, your whole family can do this too. So I created this. It's a do-it-yourself color analysis kit. And you'll only need a mirror and a printer. And you can follow the process inside to uncover your personal palette. This will help you so much for a couple of reasons during this time. Because once you know your palette, you can really reorganize your whole closet and go through and do a big purge and understand all your colors when you're shopping online as well. So you might not be doing that right now, but it'll be really helpful in the future and you'll make a lot less mistakes while you're shopping online and choosing what items to even get. So if you want to download this, it'll be at the end of the video in the description. And please like and subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I keep posting new content all the time and I hope everyone out there stays safe and we all can just get through this together and come out on the other side. Thank you so much for watching.